But, ayun na, siyempre, susunod last time. Bumili ako ng bibigyan. So, until the next time, super salamat for everything. And,
Ang galing ng tayo.
For me, maraming salamat. As I've said over and over again, I'm just overwhelmed with all of the support. It's just amazing. I can't even believe it. It's parang nananaginip ako talaga hanggang ngayon. And siguro, I just feel like this is a dream. And
really, this is
it's,
like a dream. You standing here right now,
yeah.
all of you.
Parang nananaginip ako ngayon.
This
At pati yung feeling ko ngayon na parang isang malaking pamilya. Yan yung feeling ko talaga. So, it's talagang mahal ko kayo. I can't even express it. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Thank you.
So before we go, I want you to do something for me. Okay? Tatlong baksak! Anyone else would like to say anything?
Pagpa-picture sila na dito. Oo, para sa
Oh, I want to thank everyone who really, especially our relatives who prepared the food and those who brought the food. And we all enjoyed. We had such an abundance of food. You know, we have too much, but it's better to have too much than not enough. And lots of love in the air.
Yeah!
From all of you to all of us.
Thank you.
And also for the return from all the folks from overseas.
Yes.
We had a chance to talk to Tita Lenny and Emru from Amy from Vancouver. And it was so nice to, I'll make an effort to meet with them. And actually talk to them face to face. They're such wonderful people. And it's good to know that lots of people with good heart out there, in spite of difficult situations
Wow.
Tomorrow.
Something this large.